Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lebanese garlic sauce called Toum. Essentially a condiment, Toum is the perfect sauce to have with roast chicken. So let's get cooking. With only a few ingredients, Toum is a very simple sauce to make. We're going to start by peeling 20 to 25 cloves of garlic, which comes to about 70 grams. Zoning out while peeling garlic is a wonderful time to ponder one's own existence. And once you have reached your existential conclusions, it's time to juice your lemons. Rolling the lemons around on a hard surface before you cut them will help break some of the citrus fibers, making them easier to juice. Along with the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, we need 2 cups of canola oil. We're going to start by adding all our garlic to the food processor with 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to pulse it until the garlic is broken down to small pieces. Don't forget to open it and scrape down the sides and repulse it again. You may need to do this a couple of times until the garlic is broken down evenly. Once you're happy with the state of the garlic, it's time to turn on the machine and add in a few drops of lemon juice and then proceed to slowly trickle in our oil. It's extremely important that the oil is added gently, otherwise you'd run the risk of shocking your emulsion, causing it to break down, which incidentally is exactly what happened to me while filming this video. So this is now going to become a tutorial on how to fix a broken Toum. The normal way to make Toum is to stream in half a cup of oil, followed by a teaspoon of the lemon juice, and then another half cup of oil, and then another teaspoon of lemon juice, so on and so forth, until you have a nice white fluffy emulsion that kind of looks like mayonnaise. Clearly what we have here is not that, so instead of panicking, I'm going to show you this incredible hack to fix a broken emulsion. All we need here is an egg white. So I'm just going to crack an egg, separate the yolk, set the yolk aside, and then in a separate container, I'm going to take just a small amount, maybe a 1/4 cup of the broken emulsion, to which I'm going to add the egg white. Then using a hand whisk, I'm going to start the emulsion process here. And you can see how it suddenly becomes white and fluffy, almost like a creamy mayonnaise, which is exactly what our Toum should have looked like in the first place. So once the emulsion is started, I'm going to add in the collapsed Toum a little bit at a time, give it a little bit of a whisk, then add in some more, give a little bit more of a whisk. And once I'm certain that the emulsion is stable, I'm just going to add it all back into the food processor and then continue with the same oil and lemon juice process. Once you've added all the ingredients, it's time to remove it from the food processor, pour it out into a bowl, cover it with a dish towel, and store it in the fridge overnight. The reason we do this is because right now the allicin released from the garlic is very pungent and the Toum is very, very sharp. But once it's rested for 12 to 15 hours, it's delicious. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. And as always, be safe, be happy, and eat well.